One of the concerns that need to be considered after a car accident is that not all injuries show themselves immediately or obviously. For instance, if you break your leg, you'll probably know it. On the other hand, if you get a concussion, you may miss the signs of the injury. Hang on for 5 seconds and I'll explain the 5 signs and symptoms that you should look for when it comes to a concussion or head injury. Hi, I'm Dr. Guy DiMartino, a Northwest Indiana personal injury lawyer. The 5 signs of concussion are these. Number 1, you may just feel out of sorts. You don't have to feel any pain after a car accident to have a concussion. If you start to experience difficulty remembering events that have recently happened, concentrating on particular tasks at hand, or making decisions when asked by those around you, these are all warning signs that a concussion has happened. Sign number 2. One of the most common signs of a concussion is a headache or neck pain that isn't helped by aspirin or Tylenol. It's important to remember that this pain does not have to be intense in nature. It can be a dull ache that's easy to ignore, but it's still a sign of a concussion. Number 3 has to do with your mood. A sudden change in your mood, whether you start to feel sad or angry for no reason, could mean that you suffered a concussion. Sign 4 is a change in your sleeping pattern. If you suddenly find yourself sleeping a lot more than usual, or having difficulty falling asleep, or waking up in the middle of the night, you may have a concussion. And the 5th sign is an increased sensitivity to sounds or light. If you find yourself more sensitive to these things, it may be a sign of a concussion. I'm sure you've heard about the long-term problems regarding concussions with professional football players that has been all over the news. The key to treating a concussion is early diagnosis. So if you've been in an accident and you start to experience a dull headache, increased sensitivity to sights and sounds, or if your memory or mood or sleep has changed at all, you need to bring these problems to your doctor's attention. If you have any questions, you can always give me a call. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.